How do you sleep at night, knowing your life savings could evaporate with one headline? It happened to Steve and Laura. They weren't risk takers. Steve spent 35 years as a public school principal in Gilbert, Arizona. Laura worked in HR. They followed the rules, contributed to their 401ks, paid off their house, and saved just over $512,000 for retirement. But in 2023, things changed. Stick with me, because what they did next might be the smartest retirement move you'll hear this year. But first, have you seen what's going on? Consumer prices just jumped again, inflation is heating up despite what they say, and the Fed's latest rate moves? Still not enough. Meanwhile, the national debt just crossed $35 trillion, and major banks are quietly loading up on gold while telling everyday investors to stay diversified. Even President Trump recently warned that we're headed for a financial storm worse than 2008. So, what do you do when your retirement is caught in the middle of all this uncertainty? Well, let me take you back to Steve and Laura. Last year, they watched their 401k dip over $78,000 in a single quarter. Bonds were down, stocks were whipsawing, and it wasn't just numbers. They were watching the future they built start to unravel. That's when Steve's brother mentioned something he had done, a Gold IRA rollover. Now, if you're like Steve and Laura were, you've probably heard the term Gold IRA tossed around, maybe even dismissed it. But here's what they found. A Gold IRA lets you move a portion of your existing IRA or 401k into physical gold and silver, stored securely in your name, not paper, not a stock tied to a mining company, actual gold and silver. The best part? It's still a tax-deferred retirement account. No new contributions needed, just repositioning part of your current savings into something real, tangible, time-tested. So they rolled over $206,371 into a Gold IRA. No gimmicks, no high-pressure sales. Just a free guide, a short educational call, and clarity. Fast forward to today, while markets are up and down and headlines are flashing red, Steve and Laura, they sleep better. Not because they timed the market, but because they finally diversified for real. And here's the thing. Their story started from one simple step. You guessed it. Ordering the free Gold IRA guide. That was it. No obligations, just information. And it changed how they protect their legacy. So here's my question to you. How secure is your retirement? If you have $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, you owe it to yourself and your family to explore your options. You worked hard to build that nest egg. Don't leave it exposed to inflation, political chaos, or another banking crisis. There's no catch here. No free silver bait, no pressure. Just an education-first, one-on-one call to see if a Gold IRA makes sense for you. That's it. So hit the link, grab the free guide, and breathe a little easier, knowing you're finally adding the safety net you may have been missing all along. Because in today's world, having gold and silver in your retirement plan isn't extreme. It's just smart.